Hello everyone, I'm gonna show you how to make a natural cup syrup. You need onion and honey and an empty bottle. So you just chop the onion, chop it very fine, and then you will need your empty bottle, empty jar. All you have to do is layer. We have onion on the first layer, and the first layer you put and then mix it with honey. You do it in layers. So keep on doing that until you reach the top of the jar. Then cover it, leave it in the ref for about 24 hours. Okay, after 24 hours, you will see it's not sticky anymore. So you need your strainer bowl and you just pour it in. So try not to waste anything. So just really press it down so that you get all the honey and onion syrup. Pour it in a empty jar, and that is your finished product. Okay, stay at least an hour in the refrigerator and then try it. So it's yummy. And this is my ginger juice. I drink this every day with honey and lemon. It's yummy and healthy. Try it. So ngayon naman ang dahon. This is avocado leaves, so I just boiled it for 10 minutes. That's it. You have your avocado leaves juice. That's very healthy. So nag-stock ako sa refrigerator for a couple of days para ready na siya for drinks. Then sometimes in the morning I go walking, jogging, and as usual, cooking. Ito ang mga breakfast for the whole week. Enjoy! Okay, this time I'm gonna show you how to make a basic onigiri rice balls. So putting salted plums in it. So be sure you clean your hands first. Okay, I'll put a little salt there. No rules, anything goes. So good for your lunch too. This time naman, Japanese o bento. Enjoy!